how to add social links on Facebook profile. Firstly, when you open up your Facebook application, you need to tap on the third selection, which is taking on your profile selection. Just go on it, and right from here you can simply go edit profile, and from here if you scroll down, here as you can see you have details, you have future, you have hobbies, you have links. Now go edit on this side of links, and right from here as you can see there are social links. And if you go add social link, from here first you need to select the platform. For example, you can go with Snapchat, and here you need to add your username. Yeah, you need to choose which username it is on your site. Then you can add social link again. You can choose the platform. As you can see here, you have many different applications which are related on that social site. For example, here is Spotify, Skype, you have all of these, WhatsApp, have WeChat, TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram also. But as you can see, I have an Instagram site which is right here. I have also YouTube, and also I can take off a website selection which is also related on social links.